Check it out, guys. 2011 BMW M1. It's the first one on the channel. We don't have one of these. Really nice car, as you guys can see. Got a full body kit on it. That fat bumper in the front, fat wheels, a little bit wider stance on it than your normal 1 Series. There's the M badging right there. Nice. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's got true duals from the factory. From up there, there's 2 cats up there, then 2 secondary cats there. And what we did is we did a custom wide pipe and took the resonator out right there. Then 3-inch pipe continues. There's the factory muffler. And then we switched out the tips for new blue flame tips that we custom put into his existing muffler. As you guys can see, there and there. They look really good on that car. And there's the original 4 tips that were on it that we cut off right there. So it looks a lot better now. Check out his license plate. That's funny. I like it. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. BMW M1. Sounds nice. Got a little bit of tone to it now. It's clean. Again, there's that resonator that was on it that we cut off, guys. Your sound decibels? Right at 94. Again? He's like, when I take it up in the mountains, I want to hear a little bit of a tone. I said, we got you. Go ahead and back it up. Like the lines. Another satisfied customer. I like how they added the M in there like that. That's cool. Again. What do you guys think of that sound? Let me know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW M1. Here we go. Let's see what she sounds taking off. Are you guys ready? I love the wide body stance on it too. And it is a 6-speed, guys, which makes it even better. Damn, beast mode out of a little BMW.